Are you ready to unlock amazing savings on your next luxury purchase? Party Popper, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to grab exclusive discounts with the Luxury Closet coupon codes, promo codes, and discounts. Glowing Star. Step 1. Simply visit promosaver.net or click the link in the description or comments below to find the best deals waiting just for you. Step 2. Browse through the hand-picked selection of codes and choose the one that suits you the most. Trust me, there's something for everyone. Step 3. When you're ready to check out, just apply your chosen code and watch those prices drop. It's that simple, and the best part? You'll be enjoying jaw-dropping discounts on luxury items you love. Sparkling Heart. This is your chance to experience high-end fashion and luxury products without breaking the bank. Whether it's a stunning handbag, a piece of jewelry, or designer clothing, with the Luxury Closet's promo codes, you'll always save big while treating yourself to something special. Don't miss out on these incredible offers, they're too good to last. Sparkles,